Don't be fooled by its size. Achieve professional drying power in a super portable and compact design with the best-selling XPOWER P-230AT Centrifugal Air Mover. Battle-tested to meet the rigorous demands of commercial sand, restoration, carpet cleaning, hospitality, and construction job sites, you can depend on XPOWER's ruggedly designed P-230AT to meet and exceed your specific application needs. Implementing the latest technologies in manufacturing and design, the patented XPOWER P-230AT is constructed of durable polypropylene housing using a precision injection molding process that results in a rugged unit that weighs less than 10 pounds. Blasting 800 CFM at its highest speed, this surprisingly powerful and versatile unit can fit into tight spaces where traditional air movers cannot reach for successful drying and ventilation applications. Drawing only 2.3 amps on its highest speed, the efficient P-230AT can be daisy-chained together with the onboard power outlets. Featuring 0 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree position angles, this air mover provides a wide pattern of airflow to quickly dry floors, walls, ceilings, stairways, and more. An optional 3-hour timer offers additional functionality. Super compact for maximum storage, the P-230AT can be stored stacked up to 5 units high. A wraparound cord design neatly secures cord for easy transportation. Meeting rigorous worldwide safety certification standards, you can rely on the XPOWER P-230AT to excel in even the toughest sand, restoration, and construction job sites.